Hello friends, welcome to Salesforce Solution. My name is Akshay. Today we will discuss how to create Lightning app page in Lightning App Builder. So just we have to search Lightning App Builder. So this is Lightning App Builder. Click on Lightning App Builder. Click on New. Just you have to create, select any of the option: app page, home page, record page, embedded service page. So right now I am creating a demo app page. So I'm selecting app page. So demo new demo app page. Okay, and save. So I select, from you have to select the sidebars according to your choice. Header right sidebar, header left sidebar, header three regions, header two regions, one regions, main region and right sidebar. So I select this and finish. So from here I select dashboards, uh, rich text, and recent item, chatter feed. So these are the I'm selecting this. Okay, so just you have to select according to the business requirement. I selecting some of the components standard from the standard list. So just I use this, like I use rich text. This is my demo app page. You can create it bold, select color, then you can use it. You can change the size as well, and you can select report charts as well here. Einstein next boat action here, flows as well. If you want to execute any flow, automation flow, so you can execute from here. So if you want to add any filters, so just click on that and add any filters. Then I'll save this page, activate it, and if you want to select any icon for the particular page, you can select from here. So I, according to the business requirement, so I like this symbol. And when you activate this page, custom tab is created for it. You can manage the tab visibility in the setup. Activate for all user, activate for system administrator only. So I activate for all user and save it. If What are the in what application I want this app page, so I need to select this. So just I my business app. Okay, in my business app, I have this new demo app page. Okay, and I save this. Finally I saved this. So just check this. Go to app launcher, my business app, and this is my new demo app page. So in this way we have to create lightning app page. We will discuss further more lightning page automation in further video.